Hi everyone, and welcome to another video. In this video I want to demonstrate how to create a simple package and upload it to packagist.org. As you can see here, I have part of my package already created. It's going to be called alexraduk/hello. It's a very simple class. Its purpose is just to say hello. Let's get started. The folder structure for my package is like this: src, namespace, the class. And what I want to do now, I want to create the composer.json file which will contain all the necessary data from my package. So here we are in the package folder, and what I want to do now is I want to create the composer.json file, and to do that I'll type composer in it, and I will have to answer a few questions. So my package name is here, okay. No description, author is me, minimum stability, blah blah blah, package type library, license, and I don't want any dependencies at the moment because it's a very simple package. And there's the auto loading strategy here. I will change it later directly in the file, so I will just skip it. And yeah, do I want to confirm generation? Yes, I do. So here we got now the vendor folder and the JSON file. Next thing I want to do is I want to change my auto-loading strategy. It's going to be PSR0, and here I will only have the namespace. And the other thing I want to do is I want to test my package. So to do that, I want to create my index.php file. And in the file I will have this very simple code that will just require the package and call the function. And one more thing I have to do before testing it is I want to dump my autoload files because I changed my autoloading strategy. Okay, so the files are ready. I can run the server now, localhost 777. Okay, let's go to the browser and test it. Okay, so here we are. We have hello, which means the package is working. Now I want to submit the package to Packagist, but before I can do it, I need to upload it to GitHub because it's from GitHub where Packagist is taking its packages. So I want to stop the server now, and I want to create my repository here. I want to add my src and composer.json file. And yeah, commit. First commit. So because I already created my repository on GitHub, I just want to add my remote repository, and then I want to push everything to the remote repository. Okay, let's see if it's there. Yeah, it's there. Okay, now I want to go to packagist.org and submit the package. Click submit and enter my repository here. Check. There are a lot of packages like this one, but I don't care. Okay, it's there, and the version of my package, the version is dev master. It is important. You will see why in a few seconds. Okay, now I want to test my package, and to do that I want to create my test folder. Test. I go there, and I want to try and require my package with composer. Hello package. You can see there are two exceptions. The first one says the composer.json is not in my directory, and the other one says that it couldn't determine the version. And so the first one is not important because if I run it again it will go away, but the other one is important, and to fix this I want to set a proper version for the package. To set the version for package, you just need to tag your latest commit in Git. To do that, we go back to our package folder, and we create a tag in Git. We say version 100 and then my version 100. Then we need to push the tag. After we've done it, we're going back to Packagist and click update here. And you can see the version is 100. And if we go back to our test folder, let's make another folder, test2, and try to require the package now. Hello package. Yeah, you can see the package has been downloaded without any problems. And you see that, well, everything the composer usually does has been done. And now we only need to test the package. Let me create my index.php file right here in terminal. Index.php. And yeah, there's the test code. And let's run the server. Localhost 6. Alright, let's go and check it out. Localhost 6. Yeah, it's working. Good job, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.